Alright, so I took off the AOS, air oil separator, whatever you guys want to call it. I call it AOS, I'm a Porsche guy. Clean that up. I got a microfiber towel and some brake cleaner and clean this area up. Reason I'm replacing is because I felt some vacuum in here and it looked like it was fairly old. This old one, is that CDS? Not for sure. It's not factory, I don't think. But for the most part, it's fairly easy. You got a T30, this many screws. What I usually do is when I install anything or uninstall, I look at the part and look at all the connection points. So I've cleaned this up, and I'm going to put it back together, and I'm going to lightly oil both sides, the gasket side and the surface, mating surface. Oops, got a little dirt there. I'm going to clean that up again, but it should seal fine. There we go. Would like to tell you that on this one connection part here, there is a firewall. It's right there, and if you're doing this blindly, you won't notice that it gets cockeyed. So what you got to do is kind of got to start at that lip of the connector forward of the firewall, and then it'll snap in straight. If you don't and do it blindly, you'll be like me, and you'll likely not connect it right. I don't know if it really would have mattered, but it was still on there pretty good, but I wanted it straight on. Final note, looks like the vacuum system is good. Hopeful this will give it a lot more miles to go. Future, I'm going to probably replace the coils. The far right coil, it really looked old, so it's probably due for some new coils and spark plugs. Curious what other people use. If you got a moment, put in the comments what coils you like. I used some Delphi's in this Porsche here. They were a lot cheaper. Let me rephrase it. They were cheaper, and I'm not happy with the quality of them because I've already replaced 2 out of 6. So one started off bad right out of the box, and the other one lasted about a year. So it's not an 8-cylinder, it's a 6. So I wish probably didn't buy Delphi's, but maybe others have gotten better experiences. Let me know.
As always, please subscribe.